Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the last day in the series where I share with you some tidbits to parenting. I am Achal Malani, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 brief pointers. First, they are children, let them be. Children have fights, they can have small problems, but those problems and trying to find the solutions is very, very important to them for their holistic development. As a parent, you can definitely help them, give them solutions, but don't meddle in those fights. Let them figure it out themselves. Number two, if the child is very, very young and they are showing some attention seeking behavior or they are throwing a tantrum, it is most probably a case of an unmet need. Try to navigate properly and understand and let them express in words, if possible, what is the problem. And you also, on your pace, instead of getting angry, try to understand with a calmer mind so that it helps them understand communication and you also to understand what was the case and why they reacted in that manner. Number three, repair over perfection. Instead of sitting there and trying to be like, I am the perfect parent and I have the perfect child, when your child tells you that this is a particular problem, if there is a rough patch, if there are discrepancies, if there are दरारें पड़ रही है relationship में, उसको repair करना is a much better option. If we sit there and pretend everything is fine, we don't take any effort to repair what's broken, it is only going to break more. So repair over perfection is one of the best things because it is an ever evolving relationship, ever developing relationship, and rough patches will always be there. So accepting that and working on that is the best thing that we can do for ourselves and our children. Fourth, validate their feelings. Whatever the child is feeling, validate those feelings, understand those feelings. But at the same time, make sure that there is a boundary established and the way they communicate is respectful. But at the same time, authority के चक्कर में do not miss out on accepting and making them feel heard and seen. The fifth and the final point is taking care of yourself. The child is constantly learning from you, even if they grow old. And the way you take care of yourself, you behave with yourself, you show compassion towards yourself, becomes their love language for themselves too. So make sure that you're kinder, compassionate, and considerate towards yourself as well. Thank you so much. I hope you had as much a great time as I had creating these for you. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.